Okay, this is a very short tutorial on how to go to Zoom and start a new account and get ready for a Zoom meeting. So the first thing you'll do is open up a new window and go to google.com, and once you're in here you want to type in zoom.us zoom.us, and that will bring you here to their landing page, and you'll go to where it says sign up, it's free. So click here, and what you want to do is type in your work email address. So I'll go ahead and type in my work email address, .jp, make sure I get that right. And I'll go ahead and I want to sign up. Now another option you can do is also sign in directly with Google, and that will that's another option right there if you want to go ahead and give access to Zoom right there. But I'll show you how to do this through manually signing up. So we sent an email to gorham@oberon.ac.jp. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I will go to my my work account, and I want to log in right here. So you'll log in, you'll get a link that will allow you to verify. There it is. So please activate your Zoom account. You want to verify that that is in fact your account there. And you see this blue button that says activate account. So we'll click right there, and I'll type in my first name and I'll give it a password right there, and then confirm my password. Just make sure you don't forget your password, and then finally you'll hit continue. So name, first name, last name, password, make sure you write it down, and then confirm your password, and then hit continue. Make sure that they match. Okay, let's see here. I'll try this one more time. There we go, that should match, and then I'll hit continue. Don't Zoom alone. You can invite your colleagues if you want to. Right here I'm not going to do that, so I'll just say I'm not a robot and skip this step. Start your test meeting. So you are ready to go. So right now I can see that in this top right where you see this avatar, this blank avatar, I can click here, and this is my, oops, try that one more time. So this is my basic account. There's my name, there's my work email address. Click here, and this is my profile. So I can see my Zoom IDs right there. See, I've got a basic account, and I'm ready to go. So that's all you need for now, except if you want to, once you receive an email to join a meeting, you'll log in and you'll say join meeting, and right here you can either type in the meeting ID, so you can copy the meeting ID, or you can type in the personal link right here. Another way to do this is to simply follow the link from the email that you receive, and then you would click on join right there, and you can join your meeting. So once you do this, once you click to join a meeting, then you will receive this zoom.us desktop application. And when you get this desktop application here, it will look like this. You'll see this right here, your desktop application. And you can now join your meeting. If you wanted to join the meeting, again, you can type in your meeting ID or copy and paste your meeting ID. Okay, so that is a very quick tutorial on how to sign up for a free Zoom meeting account.